Hello everyone and welcome to the next session for the series solution of a differential equation. Here in this session we will practice for the examples to get the series solution. So here the first example is solve the differential equation d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So as usual our procedure tells us first we check whether it is ordinary point or a singular point. For that, see the coefficient of d2y by dx square, it is p0 of x. p0 of x is 1. If I put x equal to 0, then I get p0 of 0 is 1, not equal to 0. Means x equal to 0 is our ordinary point. Correct? Understood it? So our point is ordinary point. Now once we get ordinary point, our solution is fixed. What is that? Y is equal to, let y is equal to summation ak x raised to k is equal to 0 to infinity. Right? This is our solution, that is a0 plus a1x plus a2 x square plus dot dot dot. Okay. Now dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, yes, it starts from k is equal to 1 to infinity, k ak x raised to k minus 1. Then d2y by dx square, double derivative. It is summation k equal to 2 to infinity, k minus 1, ak x raised to k minus 2. ak x raised to k minus 2. Now put all these three values in our given differential equation. So given differential equation becomes, given dE becomes, so write down this equation, summation k into k minus 1 ak x raised to k minus 2, k starts from 2 to infinity, correct, minus x into summation k equal to 1 to infinity, k ak x raised to k minus 1, right, plus y is summation ak x raised to k is equal to 0 to infinity is equal to 0. Right? As I told you, I want every term in terms of x raised to single power, x raised to m. Right? But here it's just like x raised to k, it's okay, no problem. We can write k equal to m and we get this. Here k minus 1 is there. Multiply this x inside the bracket. Here there is no multiplication, k minus 2. So in the first term put k minus 2 is equal to m. So what is value of m from this? K is equal to m plus 2. Now my k starts from 2, k equal to 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. So when k equal to 2, my m is 0. m starts from 0 to infinity. Okay. In the second term, multiply this x inside the bracket. So here x raised to 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. You will get x raised to k. So we extend one step and we write it properly. Yes, write with me. Summation k is equal to, not k, we write m. m is equal to 0 to infinity. Now k is m plus 2. m plus 2 into this m plus 1. You do your calculation. A m plus 2, then x raised to m. First term is over, minus. Multiply inside, summation k is equal to 1 to infinity, k ak x raised to k, plus summation k equal to 0 to infinity, ak x raised to k is equal to 0. But we want same variable. So here the first term is m. We can write k equal to m in the remaining two terms. So write down that summation m is equal to 0 to infinity, same term m plus 2 into m plus 1 am plus 2 x raised to m minus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity. Instead of k, we just write m am x raised to m plus summation k equal to 0 to infinity. Instead of k, m am x raised to m is equal to 0. Understood it? Now, in the middle term, if you see carefully, in the middle term, if you observe here, it starts from m equal to 1. But others term starts from 0. So, every series starts from m equal to 1. For that, put m equal to 0 in the first term. What's happen? If I put m equal to 0, I get 2 into 1. A2 x raised to 0 is 1 plus. Okay, we just substitute m equal to 0, remaining term as it is. So, series m is equal to 1 to infinity, m plus 2, m plus 1, getting it? Then am plus 2 x raised to m. This term is over, minus. This is as it is. M is equal to 1 to infinity. Then I get m am x raised to m. Right? Now last term plus. I am writing here that last term plus series. Instead of series, I have to start from 1. So I have to put m equal to 0. So put m equal to 0. What I get? A0 x raised to 0 is 1 plus. Now the series starts from 1 because one term I take outside 0. Have you understood what I did here exactly? Here series starts from m equal to 0. That's why I take one term outside and I start m equal to 1. Here also I have to do the same thing. M equal to 0 I substitute, take one term outside and series starts from m equal to 1 to infinity. Right? Then here am x raised to m is equal to 0. Collect the constant terms here. There are two constant terms. Which are the two constant terms? 2a2 plus a0. 2a2 plus a0 is equal to 0. Equating. Correct? Next one is, if 2a2 plus a0 equal to 0 means a2 is equal to minus a0 upon 2. Or now collect the coefficient of x raised to m. X raised to m plus 2 into m plus 1, m plus 2 into m plus 1, am plus 2, right, minus m am, right. Next one is plus am is equal to 0. So find am plus 2 from this. Am plus 2 is equal to, transfer this 2 term to RHS, am common, what I get? Yes, this become plus and this become minus. So m square minus 1 upon m plus 2 into m plus 1 am. Right? But what is value of m square minus 1? Value of m square minus 1 is m minus 1 into, sorry, just a minute. It is not m square minus 1. It is simply m minus 1. It is m minus 1. Here m is there. Okay? M minus 1, m plus 2 upon m plus 1. Right? Now put here. I get a2 in terms of a0. Now put m equal to 1. What I get? a3. a3 is equal to, yes, put m equal to 1. If I put m equal to 1, 1 minus 1, it becomes 0. So a3 is 0. Put m equal to 2, I get a4. a4 is equal to, yes, m equal to 2. 2 minus 1, it is 1 upon, yes, 2 plus 2, 4, and 2 plus 1, 3, that is 12. I get a2. But what is value of a2? What is value of a2? It is minus a0 upon 2. So I get here minus a0 upon 24, or you may write 4 factorial, no problem, right? So in this way we can find the other values. Now write down the final answer. For final answer, I take y is equal to, are you able to see here? Then write down the answer. Y is equal to, first one is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square, plus a2x square means minus a0 upon 2x square, correct? Plus a3 is 0. What about a4? a4 is minus a0 upon 24 x raised to 4. And if you find a5, that is also 0, and continue this, right? So a0 in bracket 1 minus x square upon 2. Next one is minus x raised to 4 upon 24, right? Dot 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 plus a1x. So in this way we can find our answer. We get in terms of a0 and a1. Understood? In our next video and next lecture we will take one more example. Thanks for watching.